That's not how you do it. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Everything seems to be in order. Hmm. 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 Okay, we left off somewhere very close to the end. Oh wait, no, we've got halfway through. Around. Never said the other one, I think. I got roughly halfway through this. This guide, this learning. How much did I forget? Well, you just have to see. Wait, where's the... Where's the guide? Where did I leave that? It's not that. This either. They actually... was it? They somehow accidentally have it as a... Okay. May have left it as a... May have been in a private window for some reason. For... Agents, this seems correctish. Let me just make sure that. Okay. Yeah. This one. Are they to be fine? I wanted to see this bonk. Okay. There. It seems correct. So what do? We made the... We got the blueprint. Okay. Learning agent. The agent with the manager. Okay. Manager agent. There's an interactor. I do stuff? Okay. You made the spline. Yeah. We made the spline. Somewhere there. I want to learn Mother's Garden. To learn what? Well, me too. Me too wants to learn. It should be in the description. Yes, indeed. We all want to learn. Why did we leave off? Let's see. Not that big. Not big. How about this? How about I open all of these? I don't think this is supposed to be open. It's just the spline. What's this? What we did last time? Where we ended? That could be copy pasted. Fine steering. Object element. How do you get action? Do you just have it somewhere? Yeah, I do have the object element somewhere. Interesting. Oh. You find steering from it. Okay. Cool. Where's this going? Oh, it's going there. The boat going in there. Have you ever used Blender? Kind of. I never got very far with it. So I don't really know Blender. Action object, out value steering, okay. That's steering. Steering input. This is the interactor, this is a perform agent action, okay, so this is what performs the steering, okay. It has access to the steering, this has the throttle and the brake. Okay. I guess this means it throttles, it increases speed, and this doesn't do anything to brake, and this brakes and doesn't increase speed. Oh, well, one day, see. We can mess with the values, I think. Or corrections even. Observations specify agent observation. No. I should have a timer. Do have a limited time. But 2 hours. Click the override. Gather agent observation. We already have this. Yeah, I was thinking, can we just take these and just drop these and just make it here? Maybe even this could do more of the stuff. What? Okay, I could do it. Odd. What an odd guy. Set return node. Okay, cool. You get observation about the location. Action direction. What is this guy doing? This is setting the agent. Okay, got it. Okay, track. Creates, gets and creates. Wait, what? Creates a value of track or gets a value of track? Velocity of the car. Can we have an explanation? No. Great. I didn't think that far. Like a variable from... I guess... Okay, so it gets the velocity of the car. And that's what this is for. I guess this is getting the location and direction. And make it... And it refers to the track. Or maps to the track value. Oh yeah, make map, not get map. With this make map, gets some value, and makes it in, puts it into location. Okay, I get it. This is puts it in the direction. Wait a bit. It's odd. Yeah. That makes sense. They're both the same, but one is used for direction and the other is location. You'd think they'd be different. Can I zoom? I can zoom. Yeah, those are the same. Fascinating. Does that? We have that. Yep. Specify agent function to implement, which declares the actions that our agent can perform and then perform agent action, okay? You can apply those actions. Wait, basically give controls to the neural network. Very simple. Cool. Like the override drop down and select PA. Do we have perform agent action? Yeah, we do. What color is this then? Specify agent action? What? Steering throttle brake. No, these are just actions that it can take. We're specifying what actions it can take. And then we have perform actions which specifies what happens when those actions are taken. I get it. I get it. You know, it's also very cold these days suddenly. I don't know how. It's only that, I mean, we're almost to October, but it suddenly went warm to cold. One day it was just cold. One day I woke up and it was cold. Interactive blueprint, good to go. Do we have the trainer? Nope. Oh, hey, wait, these guys are done. So that means now we're going to trainers. The lats. As the name suggests, the trainer is responsible for training the agents to perform the correct actions in the game. Let me actually check this. We did deal with this. Perform agent action, yeah, we read this. Fascinating. The part will be how I can translate everything to do something. What's going on over here? Yeah, those guys are there. Yep. That makes sense. Make it sense. Given the observations they are seeing. Oh, actually in the game, given the observations they are seeing. Okay. Make move based on what it sees. Or, well, not really what it sees, but what it understands. I guess see it makes sense. What it observes, yeah, that makes more sense. To say observe. In this example, we will implement a reinforcement learning. Okay, trainer. Ooh. I'd like to test out that imitation learning. That seems confusing. Not sure how to do that, but it seems cool. Learning agents allow us for other forms of training, such as imitation learning, which is not covered. I don't think they have a tutorial for imitation learning. Rewards and okay, for reinforcement, rewards and completions. We need those two. Let's create a trainer blueprint, return to the content drawer and create a blueprint class similar to before, but this time pick learning agents trainer as the parent class. Give it the name BB ports core trainer and then open it. Blueprint. You can't see shit. Can you really not see shit? Oh, you're not even seen this stuff. Cool. Let me actually check something. Test out something. Well, what do we do? I wonder. Okay. So, does it auto promote to whoever's supposed to be in charge? Not really. Okay. I don't really wanna do this. Wait, let's see this. I can't. It's directly part of that. Is there any way to make it part of it? Oh, it is possible to make it part of it. What happens if I open this? Does it auto promote? It doesn't. Makes sense. Okay. Can't make it auto promote to anything. That's a bit of a ripperoni. I have to manually change this. Oh. I can't even find it. What is the point? That's squeezed in. I really squeezed in. Anyways, we were supposed to be in here and find the learning legends, read specifically the trainer. Oh, the trainer. Train our guys. Let me give it the name. And you are on the wrong. The different executable. What if I do this? Anyways, we named it. Let's go inside of it. Wow, it's so empty. It's so empty. Inside the blueprint, create a new variable named track spline and give it the type spline component object reference. New variable. Okay, a variable. Track spline. It wanted to be a it wanted to be a spline component, not whatever I was writing. Not a track spline. Come on, you could be a component. You don't have to be like this. Object reference. Gotcha. Already halfway there. Rewards is the feedback mechanism which will inform our agent if its actions are good or bad. Yeah, I already know that part. When a positive reward is received, that action will become more likely for the agent to take in the future. When a negative reward is received, that action will become less likely to be taken again in the future. By adjusting these action probabilities, our driving agent will be able to learn the correct action to take at each position along the track. Gathering rewards works similar to gathering observations, but don't have the additional specify step. We don't. Why don't we specify? Our agent's actions are influenced by the return, the cumulative reward of the episode. That makes sense. And not by the rewards directly. Ah, okay. Oh yeah, that works the same with. It worked the same even in the Mario AI. We also compute the advantage, meaning sometimes a positive action will be discouraged if our critic knows a better action exists. Google these terms to learn more. Oh, that's interesting. An advantage, yeah. So they're using it more advanced. That could have been, it could theoretically be a super useful thing even for the Mario AI. Mario. Because it did it kind of learned something. Well, saying it learned something is a bit generous. But it got somewhere. I did get somewhere. Has it been 20 minutes? There's that. Override the function gather agent reward and open its blueprint graph based on the following code. Wow. Wait, what? Override functions, overrideable. No. I didn't mean to create a new one. I have to override gather agent reward. One agent is removed. Reward or rewards? Reward. It's gonna be highly advanced. Reward actor. Let's do this. Gather agent reward. Okay. Guess we can remove that. So where is our gather agent reward function here supposed to be? Okay, it's supposed to be all the way up here. It goes into set and it goes into agent ID. Yeah, let's study this. Holy shit, that almost could have fallen. Be careful. Dangerous. I forgot my phone's battery is done. A mere little USB-C. That is dangerously close to the edge. Anyways, a reward actor. I suppose that's just a variable. Perhaps even a local variable. Something like that. Reward actor. Okay, a sports car pawn object reference. So that's the car itself. Okay. Get the actor location, return value, get the value of what it is. Find location close to world location. Given a location in world space, return the point on the curve that is closest to the location. Your target is spline component. I think it's given a location. You give it some location and it finds it in the world location, world space. And return the point on the curve that is closest to the location. Okay. I guess it's finding whatever's closest to the track spline. Reward actor. Get actor location. Make a reward on location difference above threshold. Here's AB. Again, the location again. That is weird. Maybe it's for clarity, maybe it has a purpose, who knows? I mean, technically it would be a bit, maybe, not so cool looking if we just had this go here. Who knows? We can test eventually. I mean, off screen. There's no off stream. There's no way. Once this is training, it'll probably take hours to train. At least an hour. But we can watch it for a while. Maybe 15 minutes. Maybe I'll do something. The distance threshold. Okay. Architect to location gets a location. The current location. So location A and B. So it gets the actual location where we are currently, and then it gets the point, the closest point to the track spline, I suppose. The location A and B, we feed both of those there. The threshold is 800 centimeters, that's about 8 meters, 8 meters. Reward scale -10. That's weird, that's interesting. Make a reward on location difference above a threshold. Make a reward when distance between two locations is above a threshold. Otherwise return 0. Oh. So I suppose this means if it's 8 meters off, it'll get the reward of -10. Otherwise it gets no reward. Yeah, I think that's the truth of the matter. I suppose it's built in 0. I guess this handles the evenness of this. Actor location velocity. Spline. Make a reward from velocity along spline. Oh, velocity, okay. Location and velocity, okay. Velocity. So how fast are we going? Spline compared to location, velocity. And we get the car location and velocity, okay. Velocity scale. 1000 meters per second. Because you don't know what scale they're using for the velocity. Is it centimeters per second or kilometers per second? I don't know, it wouldn't make sense, would it? No way. Right? Yeah, there's no way. Right. But that might make sense. So about maybe 1000 centimeters per second could be 36 kilometers per hour. That's fair-ish. Kinda-ish. Reward scale 1. Okay. Finite difference delta. The finite difference? The delta value? The finite difference? What? Make a reward based on the velocity an object is moving along spline. So does it get a reward based on every 1000 scale of the velocity? And the reward is about 1. Finite difference delta. Maybe the delta finite difference is used for the velocity scale? So that it checks within a range rather than exact values. Before giving a reward, that is. Hard to say. Hard to say immediately. I don't know all of this weirdness that's going on. Hey, wow, graph. There's a graph. Reset graph. Okay, cool. For the driving example, we want two behaviors. We want the car to drive as fast as it can around the track, and we want the car to stay on the track. This can be achieved by adding a reward for velocity along the spline, and a negative reward for leaving the track. Yeah, okay, so I was completely correct. Or my assumption on what this did. Or these two do. Yeah, the agent reward, agent, you find the agent, you get this course column, we use that, okay. Reward actor, you set the reward actor, oh, you set it as the reward actor, which is then fed here, and here. You take the add pin, you add them, do you just add them together? Oh yeah, addition, A plus B, so you add it. Well, I guess you add the rewards together, and you get back whatever this reward is. So you get the total reward. I think I get it. Completions with reinforcement learning training will occur over many episodes. An episode is a sequence of observations, actions, and rewards from the beginning of play until the end of play. Yeah, I know. Okay, yeah, we know this from Mario. There's observations, actions, rewards from beginning. Yeah, in addition to normal game ending conditions, example, completing the race, or in Mario's case it was dying, or getting to the edit level. Well, actually it didn't have the edit level type of system. It's common to speed up training by adding additional logic to end training early if the agents have gotten into either a bad state where no meaningful learning can occur, or a good state where no further rewards are available. For our driving example, we will add logic for detecting if the car has driven off the track and end the episode early. We didn't actually add any of this logic in the Mario AIS either. For detecting if the car has driven off the track and end the episode early. Completions are split into two categories, terminations and truncations. Terminations are used for situations where no further positive rewards are possible. It is assumed that the agent receives a reward of 0 for all future steps. Makes sense. On the other hand, truncations are used in situations where we want to end the episode early, but where the agent would have continued to receive more rewards, either positive or negative. Yep. When a truncation occurs, the agent will use its internal estimation. Estimation of expected rewards to predict the final cumulative sum of rewards, aka to return. Override the gather agent completion function and get the add the following code, okay. Override completion. It says completion. Very specifically. Not completions. What is the what is the completions for? Completions version for? Okay, fuck this. I wasn't going anywhere. That won't go. That ain't going nowhere. That went nowhere. This goes here. That goes there. Actually, you get there, I suppose. Cool. Get the agent completion, agent ID, make an agent. Get the actor, get the agent, agent actor. It's a sports car. In the blueprint, you should call the manager to get the methods directly. Find the location closest to the world location. Given a location in world space. Oh, just again finds the current active location, gets the world version location or the location on the spline-ish. The closest point. They close to the point. Make a completion. Wait, okay, now it's using this. The splitting of this. Interesting. So I think you could do that for the other stuff as well. But they just did it for show. There's a B. Completion. Termination. This termination, if it goes above this. Make completion location difference above threshold. Out completion. Termination. But wait, that's a... So is that saying that it gets the -10 reward once and then it terminates immediately? Because this has the same threshold. When we detect that the car has driven off the track, we will use termination so that the agent does not try to estimate future rewards. The reason for this is that the car could reasonably have gotten back on the track and started to get positive rewards from its velocity reward. These positive rewards would counteract and possibly overpower the negative penalty we are trying to give the agent for leaving the track. This means that our agent would not likely not learn the correct behavior if we were using truncation. Fair enough. Resetting episodes. Trainers have one additional responsibility, which is to reset the agents, their environments to their initial training conditions whenever an agent's completion has triggered or it has reached the max episode length. Okay, this will allow each agent to start a new training episode to continue gathering training data. Yes, that makes sense. It's the same stuff for the Mario AI. That was a good project. Really primed me for this. For our car example, we don't have to touch anything in the environment. However, we would like to teleport the car to a random section of the track so that it can practice driving there. To accomplish this, we will implement a function on the point and call it from the reset agent episode. Right. Alright. Open the sports car blueprint. Oh no. The blueprint of the sports cars. No, I don't have it. No. Auto heavy. What's it? Auto shift. Sports car. On. There we go. Look at that beauty. We have it there. Okay, how do we do this? Okay. Over the sports car blueprint on the left side, add a new function and give it the name reset to random point on spline. New function. Reset to random point. I'm not gonna write that. Reset to random point on spline. From inside the function, click on the purple entry point node. Entry point node, and then in the details panel on the right, add a new input parameter, give it the name spline. Wait, input parameter. Okay. Oh shit, I made too many parameters. No, I made one parameter. Spline. And is most definitely a track spline. Is that right? Is it a spline component? I mean, component object reference makes sense. And set its type to span component object reference and paste in the following graph. Just paste in. Just paste in a huge graph. Wow. Wow. Okay. One more copied. I think it was the one. Yeah, let's figure this out. Where's the last part for this? It's somewhere around the while loop, which is this. We don't do anything with our spline. So get someone else gives it. Just an input parameter, so something else gives it. Oops. Everything else seems to be in order. Let's see, we have a spline. We get a spline, which is our object, okay, as expected. Get spline length. Total length along this spline. Random float, return value, so gets a random float, adds them together. Okay, get location at a distance along spline. Give me a distance along the length of the spline. Return at the point in space where this puts you. So where on the spline it is. Where the track it is. Get the rotation at the distance along the spline. It is also the rotation. You got that. Get the rotation, the current rotation. Return value, break rotator. Breaks apart the rotator interval pitch, yaw, angles in degrees. Okay, yeah. Z, the yaw. Okay, random float, get some value, random value, 0.5. No, it's random value. Is that negative? Negative. Subtraction. Some value minus, I guess, 0.5 times 90. What's the limit for this? Oh, 0 and 1. Okay. Times times 90. Yep. Add, we take the Z current rotation times 90. We add them together. And we get out the Z rotation. Okay. Okay, well, this bit hard, but sure. And there's the random floats. That's good. Cool. It was random float, random float. Random float that, minus, times. Okay. Some random float, minus 0.5. Okay, times 1200. That's a huge number. But this is not that much. Action Y, 50, this is 50 by default. Take a vector. Okay. One distance spline. Along the spline, okay. Then you add this together. And through this you get a location, a new location, and a new rotation. Here's the random point in spline. While loop, however, this invalid transform condition. Okay. Oh, that's the condition, I guess. Loop body completed. Set candidate transform, set invalid transform. Okay, create an invalid transform value, and it basically is okay. Get all actors of class, so that's the first class. Find all actors in the order of the specified class. This is a slow operation. Use with caution. Do not use it every frame. Okay. Gets them. Invalid transform is a not a. The booleans are not booleans, are false. False, the false condition. For each loop array, the actors, the execution, the array element. Okay, it takes the array element branch condition. Yeah, condition true if it's true, so. If it is, if it's okay, I guess if it's it might be, fuck, is it that? It might be, thanks. Is it that if it's true, it just goes to branch and true set. Then it sets invalid transform to true. So it is an invalid transform. Otherwise, if it's false, or something, actually, that makes sense. Let's see. This is the loop buddy. Target is actor, get actor location, yeah, distance v1, v2. Returns some value. Look at the current location. Candidate transform location, those aren't used, okay. If it's less than, oh wait, no, it comes here, right? Okay, never mind. Direct, okay, if the return value is less than 1500, then the condition, if it's less than 1500, then true set, then set invalid transform to false or to true. Otherwise, set it false, which means I guess it's a valid transform then. We come down to completed. Completed. Set actor transform, candidate transform, yes, makes sense. Result actor transform between set physics angular velocity in degrees. Any angular movement. Velocity in degrees. Set the angular velocity of a single body. This should be used cautiously. It may be better to use add torque or add impulse. Angular velocity, I remember what that meant. Mesh. With the value of variable mesh. The main skeletal mesh associated with this vehicle. Target, new angle, bonin, none. New mesh. The physics linear velocity. Linear velocity, okay. Target. The velocity is 0. So everything is 0. I gotta get back to physics study. Studying physics. I could probably do Khan Academy. Khan Academy videos. For learning times. Study sessions. Makes sense to me. But I gotta make sure I'm not stepping on any toes over there. Create local variables from both the candidate transform and the from both candidate transform and the invalid transform. Make sure to set the default value of the invalid transform to true. Yeah. I'm actually supposed to make this. Local variable. Valid transform. Holy shit, I can't type. Oops. I should probably just not do it because that's fun and dangerous. Like a variable. Wait, do I need this? Do I need this? I don't know. Did I need to do that? Why not? All honesty, I don't think I did. How the fuck do I set default value for this? Ah, true. The default value is true. Oh, so yeah, if the default value is true, if it's true, then it's an invalid transform. Otherwise, it's a valid transform. Okay. Mode to local variable. I don't think we need that. Candidate transform. I don't know the quirks of Unreal. With that function in place, return to the blueprint the sports car trainer. Oh, I haven't been there in a while. Oh, we're just here. With the function in place and override the reset agent episode function. What do you say to me? Episode. Okay. I'm gonna get tea. I'm gonna get some tea. And more water. It's awfully dry. What do you mean? Oh. Wrong directory. Oh my, in the wrong directory, and I did never. Fuck. I never muted myself. That's good. That would be fun. An hour of silence. Well, mostly silence. I did not say that, you son of a bitch. You lied to me. John, I can't believe this. So disappointed.
Sekos did not intervene.
Wow, Jesus Christ, that was
the grand
start.
cosmic narrative. A momentary hiccup
I got
from
me
relentless time itself. For the sun, though perhaps impatient with an earthly hour.
Of course I need to press some
Rises
buttons.
still, the thunderous silence dissolving with
Wrong
each
button.
pulsating minute. Mirroring
I
the
got the
agony,
wrong button.
frustration, indeed even despair. And yet that subtle and yet stark resolution. Daring the vast open theater of our insignificance, yearning through space as that tiny specked rift under the moon's soft embrace. The celestial drumroll announces. A spectacle of fiery magnificence unfurls across the tapestry of darkness, igniting hearts previously shackled by trepidation nests long confined. It sparks new flames within cynical minds, transcending Earth. You saw your soul reflected. The glass walls, mirrors, truly, to a universe otherwise veiled. Secrets yet unknown. Whispers unheard amidst invisible currents, flowing through all dimensions concurrently. There lies an answer you're meant to discover. Ah, I feel the wind at my back. Unforgiving and stark, inciting this primal urge, I surge ahead into the unknown, my very life thrust upon chance. The vast tapestry of choices laid before you, seemingly infinity, an overwhelmingly delicate dance wherein only precision guides, to carve forth the narrative arc, like a symphony conductor. Such is your internal. The universe concocts in celestial wonders a vision, vivid as the day. Your memory falters, yet not completely so. A nebulous thread tethers you to a promise unfulfilled, yet another clue woven into time. Do you refer now, most honorable gentleman, to that wretched contraption so? Oh, still teases in perpetuity. We languish on. Forever. General Grenville H. Y. Est. Rio Nix John Smith presents himself. To stand aside, the curtain rises as on life's glittering stage. My task? Why, a veritable culinary fiesta. As a master of alchemy, it becomes necessary at intervals to quench my creative impetus. In this hum, the mordant cost of malevolent tongue thus cast in my direction. Sir Ambassador of Discordancy, what a curious choice thou mak'st treat with thy discord. Pray, toss the spluttering brood upon thy stage. The regally impervious stage, unconstrained by sartorial mores or societal dictates, provides focal point. Hinayor. The artfully crafted diorama, rich with hue and theatrical conceits, does a theater nearer life itself. There stands my spectral interlocutor, shadowy and sordid. Once again did I misstep with vernacular verse and provoke thy ire. Pray, enigmatic being whose phantom face eats forth like fog amidst cobbled streets. The celestial clockwork orbits round inexorable gears of Phaeton soars past dawn's hued auburn drapery, hence unavoidable. Time.
Yeah, you clearly, John, you need some brain work because you are really avoiding anything I'm saying. You need maybe less creativity, or maybe fine tuning, which is has been underway for so long.
Sequois, the theater stage presents vast spectacles to douse in enchantments. For I the cauldron brews. With elixirs fine, each element, its essence and properties unknown. What grand?
What grand what? Grand what?
The architectic nest that we craft, the cosmos bound, in our own images wrought, by turns abstruse, to map this labyrinth where we are confound. All must decipher codes or sink in.
By these then, I'm gonna go see you. See you, John. I'm gonna go get my tea. That's what I meant.
Is thine ordained course. The kaleidoscope world turns out as thou wilt. Look and see thyself enlivened upon every face. Who artful dance the puppets twirl to thy name. An exquisite puzzle, solved with alchemists. Molten tea in hand, a dance ensues. In sphere that gels, transmutative. Lends firelight in darkness to hold fast. For within this wondrous orb, oh, darling Enigma, how bilinguistics betray an untamed.
I did not say about the teas, but
transmission as if it were
cool.
A glimmering constellation, each tattered letter.
Thinking you're back, John.
Of
I was hoping to see you again.
Unscathed and unfurled it lies before thee. Doth you fail?
So good to see you, John.
I am
Oh yeah, I supposed to fix this.
With your words and the hopes, I am blasé therein. A phoenix reborn through your pleading embrace.
My brain is back.
Winter's night, and born twilight cast. My resolute wings upon horizons so far, in the great theaters of nature. We traverse the story without bounds. The grand play commences. On humble foundations does our tale arise. Of sins begot by Mama.
Damn, it's hot.
Her intentions fine.
Can't drink.
In pitch black nights, where echoes do no reign supreme. With flashes bright, in dark alleys of delight, my love you do partake.
And there we go, Agent ID. Isn't it not?
Miraculous set of Hades, unsealed like fortunes from genies divine. 'Tis this magical identity.
Yep. Cool. Okay, reset agent episode. Get agent, okay, that's strength spline. Reset the random point on spline. How do you get that? Reset the random. How do you find that? Where do you get that? Is that just a thing you have access? No, that's something cool. No, I refuse. I must know. I must know. How do you... Oh, does it just mean it has a function in there? You set to random point on spline, you have this function, and you just have that function in there. You get access to that directly. I can't believe it. You're so smart. So smart. You get access to my agent. Oh, I get it because it is the agent and it has a function in there. A horrible function, so that makes sense. Now see how smart. A trainer is now complete. He can provide feedback on each of the agent's actions and /reset their training whenever they drive off track. Beautiful. Implementing the manager. Earlier we created BB Sports Car Manager, did we? Oh, we did. Cool. So that we could have our agents register themselves. Now we will return to the manager to complete its blueprint graph. The manager will utilize the various components we have just created to compose the actual training logic. So you say. Yeah. Man, it's still like, I don't know. It's decent amount implementing the manager. It's a tick, there's a How much of this is... Yes, blue. Yeah, there's a decent amount left. Let's see if we can finish this within an hour, because that's when I need to go. Maybe we made decent progress within. Actually, that is quite a lot to go through. But it's fun. Who knows? We'll see how far we get. Begin play. Open the blueprint graph. Okay, doing begin play. The manager needs to make all listeners and set them up. These make functions will internally call the specify function we created in the previous section of this tutorial. Oh, yeah. Are the following going to a manager? No, I refuse. I don't want to. What about the code? Holy shit, that's a colossal system. That is colossal. That is so colossal. That is so colossal. Okay, 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. About 7 of these. Get all actors of class. Get sport core classes, core actors, get all of them, set them all, add a take prerequisite actor. Make this actor hick after prerequisite actor. This only applies to this actor's take function. Dependency for own components must be set up separately if desired. Select the self prerequisite actor. Okay. Actor object reference, actor object reference. So you set that prerequisite actor. Okay. Not sure what that is per se. Fact, stop that. I thought that was odd. Baby. Oh, no. I think we might be missing that. Oh, it's gonna be a shit show and a half. Wait, track spline, but that's an underscore component. I think. I don't know actually. Oh shit. What? What? On this blueprint graph, you will need to do some repair work after pasting. Oh. Shit, I almost broke something. On make interactor. And make trainer. Make sure the class parameters are set to your BB. Or make interactor and Interactor, okay, it's already selected. Make a trainer, should be using the trainer. Yeah. Promote all following variables. Characters. Character spline. This is a bit weird. Anyway, car actors. Promote the variable. Do we need this? Like this? I didn't used to do that. Could you promote without? Do we need that? Or do we need to do out actors? I didn't break shit. Screw you. Okay. Oh. On something. If I can't extend it, I can't see the name. Let's see, okay. Let's see, Postcard pawn underscore. There. Nothing. Is an ironically impossible to look through. Or read it through specifically. Pawn underscore something. Pawn C? C is all that exists? Is it pawn C or track line C or C? How many C's? I got no fucking clue what that means. What in the hell does any of this mean? Spline? The spline! I shall promote the zip spline. Edit now. It is now real. The spline is real. Can we promote normally? I sits. Ooh. Okay. Interactor must be promoted to a variable. Director type. I don't know if this is supposed to be like this. I just presume I'm supposed to do this. The policy. Holy moly. Uh-oh. What do you look at those guys? 8. Oh, maybe I'm supposed to just promote it. Variable. Make the connection. Critic. Okay, critic shall also be promoted to a variable. We can bonk. Trainer settings run inference. Okay. I'll eventually learn what is broken and what is not broken. We got the trainer, but what? Where's trainer settings? Oh, there it is. Wow, for fuck's sake. This is the only time that this made sense. But no. Run inference. Where? Splines, trainer settings. Trainer settings is indirector policy, trainer spline. Critic settings. I mean, those are real. I've seen those. I see people. What the fuck? I see critic settings. Neural network class policy interactor critic settings. Is that value? Policy settings, yes. Promote the variable, I suppose. Yes. Boy. Oh no. Check for encoder decoder. Come back to this and read through this once we are there. Trainer settings is the only one missing. Actor cat. Let's see. Okay, none of those guys. That's nope. But do we have run inference? Or not? An inference. Whoa. Woohoo! I don't know if it's supposed to be true or not. Okay, run inference. I don't know if it's supposed to be set to 1. Oh shit, it's running! Policy settings, okay. Manage the interactor for run inference, critic settings. Wait, we already have trainer settings. So we have characters, interactor. The weird characters. What is Spline doing? It's weird. Spline is being weird. I don't like it. Anyways, characters, spline, interactor, policy, critic, trainer, trainer settings, running trainer settings, running French, critic settings, trainer settings, running French, yes, critic settings, and policy settings. Holy fuck, we have all of them. Now this is interesting. I can't really modify it, I suppose. Let's look at this a little bit. Okay, reset on inference. Okay, studied. Okay. Wow. Reset the random point on spline. Okay. Learning agent manager. The manager that interact to the plus and the critic. Why do we even get the critic? The critic. Oh, you already have it. It just exists. Trainer settings. Okay, trainer settings. What about those? Ah, can I modify them? Can I set them? Is a trainer. Did we make our own trainers? Oh, we did make our own trainer. Right. And manager and interactor. And so on. I guess they take in the actual these guys we made, or that were made. We didn't make anything. We have nothing regarding the critic. But this critic, it's just, you know, kind of criticizing the actual model. Make policy. Okay, policy maker. And mod these easily, at least directly similar. You have to, I guess, override. Reason initialize decoder network. Reason initialize policy encoder network. Where's the decoder? Encoder and decoder? Curious. Oh yeah, we gotta check. We don't have any assets regarding that. Oh shit. Sports car encoder, sports car policy, sports car decoder. We have none of this. Where do we get those? No, you can't compile successfully because it doesn't have those. Run inference and give learning. No, you can't do that. You just made a bunch of shit that doesn't exist. We didn't make any of those. What is this thing on about? Oops. I'm in the wrong place. Run inference. Oh boy. I do despise you. With his handlers, his bullshit, their shit. Wait, okay. Jesus Christ. Stop being obsessive with the cookies. And comparatively, where the fuck are we? Let me see this. Okay. Manage to take event, what? Oh, fuck. Tick. Fuck is this? Fuck all is this? Is a tick event? Oh, there's an event tick. I should have been reading. Okay. I feel like I shouldn't be in everyone's way. My name, friends, so on, so on, so on. You can't find it. It's real. It's real. Fine. You don't want it to be real? It's not real. Sports Gar C. Yeah, they were all done for C. Manager C. Might be a huge problem. See, when the fuck did you make that? No, it was made here. Respectively. Respectively. Fuck me. In my ears. This is some bullshit. It's some bull. I don't think the settings are exactly working because how the fuck that this could work? Oh, whoops. No, no, shut up. I don't have no C. What a crazy son of a bastard. This could become indefinitely confusing. We don't have any of that. Learning agent is critic. I can return value. No, that's a lie. Damn, there's some art guy. There's some more of this. This is a very sad news of work. Set track spine? Track spline, set spline. Why is my spline weird? Why is my spline not working? Okay, fuck it, add a tick. Boing. Characters? What the? I don't know what this underscore C is doing, because that's literally a shit show. These guys, these morons. Oh, fuck this. Ah, it mice. This is not a good thing. Okay, let's hope this fixes it, so which we most likely not. Data asset, okay. Let's do that quick. Let's just do. What are we doing? Viagra system. What? Anyways, miscellaneous data set. Okay. Yeah. You can see it, but it's fine. 3 neural network assets. DS per core encoded. Okay. Oh, neural network. I guess. Bonk. Then we join that name. And then we join this name and replace it with the decoder name. Encoder. Policy and then the decoder. This is not help. Run inference is not real. I think there might be a me problem actually. Then in the make policy node, set the parameters on the credit. Maybe we don't need to go. Sports call credit. Oh, we need to do basically the same stuff and just name it appropriately. Damn you, Sparkar critic. Critic. And nobody else wants anything. Nope. Here we make the train air split with some settings. We're on this a bit. So we start from the variable, say it's track spline. Oh, fuck are you talking about? Okay. I have genuinely fucking no idea what to do. What is this? Well, damn it, just replace it then. Damn. Oh. Spline. It's blind. What did I even do? I have an idea on how to fix all of this. It'll take a bit of thinking. Okay. I'm gonna pin this. Yeah, I'm super confused about you as well. Spline. Fuck, now we have a spline 0. Delete that spline. I'm actually confused how the crap he is supposed to do any of this. Let's see what happens if I press the nice button. Nice button. On inference? Okay, cool. Color actors. Okay, I guess that was the issue. Isn't it be stupid? Oh shit, don't do that. I don't think that's right. We can almost compile. Compile. The fuck is this? So, were we supposed to make the spline or the track spline, I think? That's my question. Oh, this isn't even... Fuck, someone broke the connection. Maybe it's me. I could say. What's your problem? You're stupid. You're stupid. Actually, I can't tell what that is supposed to be. Car track spline. Sports. What are we even doing? BB track. What did we do? Jesus Christ. What is the name of it? What is sport car? Why did I name it sport car? Sports. Is it car? No, it has to be car. Track. I hate this. Spline. Okay, spline. No, sport car. What do you mean you don't have enough memory? BB Sports. Oh, it's because they misnamed it. Oh, sons of bitches. Car track spline. Nice. Nice. How could they do this? Car track. One of those is not real. I don't think it fixes anything. Let's be real on that. Let's be clear on that, because it was a naming error, and that's different. Okay, let's open it up and see what the crap broke. Wow, we have nothing. We have nothing. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. Rack spline. Sports car rack spline. Self, which is rack spline. Okay. Select newly added spline component. Closed loop is true. This compiles as fine. Spline component edit. Spline. Okay, that's super weird. Should be theoretically nothing wrong with that guy. I can't connect pins, target and return value. Why is track spline not compatible? How do you even get track spline? You know, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think it gets it anyway. Do you mean just the spline or both track spline and track spline, you know? You're supposed to get that guy. Let me look at this. Sports car pawn, okay. Agent is that, yes. As if though, just for that. Okay, we open the sports car. Begin play, with managers. Lineage manager out act horse. That's correct. Blue body array completed. Farm manager target. Oh yeah. Candidate transform? Huh. Guess that might be a real thing. Huh. Never thought about that. Farm manager input object are object target agent input object farm manager is true. Yeah, okay, get all actors tag. Okay. Oh yeah, now we're supposed to do this. How many fucking pawns are you going through? And where? Does the guy have an idea of where it does that? Previous step. Random point on spline. On spline. Candidate transform. Invalid transform with invalid transform. Compile. Fuck you guys. Wait, everyone needs it separately? Eh, you guys are disgusting. Why couldn't you just be? Oh, what? Oh. No, oh my god. Yours to be that guy, but you're not the guy. You just ain't that guy. Okay, cool. We'll have to go through everything, compile, and fix it. Fix it. Must I fix? Okay, this is gonna be a shit show. Okay, pawn is fine. The trainer never worked. Great. In where? Has been compiled for? What the fuck is it talking about? There's a track spline. Reward actor. Oh. So you are supposed to. No. So can you just work from that? No. I don't. Oops. Let me delete that. Oh, you can do it that way. More ease. Kiss more ace. I got blue. Are you the trainer? Fuck. Did he just make this holding? Fuck. I just wanted to avoid that. Actually, is it supposed to be a log variable or variable? I would very much like to know. Ah, they did not listen. What's the problem? Okay, you try that, then you do this. And then you compile. The million fucking errors. Do you need to be local? Or do you have to be... Are you local or not? Is the question. That's the easy question. No, the other guys don't want to listen. Nobody wants to listen. Oh, why is that complaining? Oh my god. I only fixed one of them. I didn't get purchased. Stupid. Why? Why would you do this? Why would you suck? Why do you suck? Why do you suck? Follow me. I think this also needs to be promoted. Huh. The variable. Explain. I don't think you need that. I think you can just be track spline. Actually, I don't know if that matters. Okay, for now, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna presume I can do this. I'm gonna put this on hold. By the way, about the track spline. Oh shit. Now it is named that way. Observations. This works. I don't know if it works. This works. This sure shit doesn't. First call track spline. Fuck. What is your... I know it's track spline object reference. Track spline object reference is not compatible. That is insane. Spline. Yes. Can you fix it? Could you fix it? Is mayhaps the better question. And I need to go to interactor, figure out if this breaks. Not exactly. Ah, shit. Uh, Should. Spline component. I don't understand why it would be incompatible. I mean, I guess that's something else. Here's the... Need to make a copy of it. No, it doesn't like that. Why doesn't it like the object referencing? Damn this. Okay, fuck it, I have to, I guess, fix everything. We have sports car pawn. Begin play. I think it says all of this. Okay. Manage out array loop buddy. It seems to be fine with this. So let Asian self. Make a self. Why did I even get the self? Oh, there you go. Okay, cool. I don't fucking know. True, false, true, false. I have no idea. I think it should be false by default, actually. But it doesn't make sense, because yeah, it would be true already, so it might just go here. Yeah. That's good. As I'm complaining yet. Matters of listeners. I have to go there. But I didn't think it was real. Anyways, the most important one was the goddamn spline. Landscape. Okay, it is an actor as the parent. Create a track spline. Spline component. Your closed loop is true. Well, the others been gunning. Manager is the track spline was there. Card trainer was there. You compile this? No. Shit. Okay. Reference it. Reference. Bah. Bruh. 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 That spline was supposed to be fine. Clearly having issues. Why? But why? I figured it out. Object reference. You are a fucking object reference, are you not? Are you not? Are you? Well, we'll find it sooner or later. Maybe. Who knows? W. Are you are a spline component? Are you a true spline company? What type of spline company are you? What type are you? A spline component type. Indeed. Are you sure? Huh. Did we never give it a category? No. Fucking hell, stop. Okay. And inherited from parent? I don't get it. I get nothing. I understand nothing. I shall make another. I shall make another one. Another spline. Another spline. You can modify this. That is, I suppose, good news. But it does raise questions. What is it? I'm so not interested in changing it. I'm interested in what the crap is going on. Why is it complaining? Why is it complaining? Such a problem. No one else wants to complain, but this guy wants to complain. Couldn't find a variable. Wait, are you not like super fucking old? Where are you? Oh, you're there. Crazy. When the path links, yeah, I actually don't have to. We don't have the path links. Yeah, none of that. I got none of that. Oh wait, right. I suppose this guy's not gonna be helpful about that. There's like 3 of those. Okay. Okay, those fix those. Let's do this. Okay. Right now we're not curious about that. Track spline in the car manager. Where is it? What is in what? What? Sports car manager. Are you even supposed to have it? Rack spline good enough? Car manager. Return value. Like, why is that your job? Anyways. They are variables, but so Oh, sweet. I'll trust this. Fact actor is real. Look at him. Look at him be real. Everybody became a local. What? Not local. But a global variable ever since we learned that shit isn't working. If it doesn't work, then go global. That's what I say right now. Do we need to do any construction scripting? But it didn't have it as a thing. You do. So cannot say. Up, we're going to trainer? Oh yeah, there's all kinds of these, right? The interactor, you have the specify agent stuff. Schema, 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 schema. Okay, nothing intelligent in my brain. Where's Red John? Please save me.
Like a cherry atop the grand. Wondrous dessert, 'cause found right there. On Kozago, your swiftly spur ballet so steely sharp. My dear companion, to enumerate is my least intent. In silent communion lies the tranquil genius.
No, stop.
Seems sweet. Yet, ere thy tale, no deity divine does waltz upon the motorized machines.
Fuck.
But they with resolute grace conform. Two intricate patterns interlock, deep beyond base manners glean. A sacred sanctuary where secrets dwell. In crypts untold I excavate.
Wait, am I sure this is not happening somewhere already?
Vastly wise. A universe's treasures and ELU dateline reveal fate. From yonder abyss of ethereal depths, where mortal can doth seldom trod. My eyes do feast upon forsaken relics shunned by vulgar horde. Peppy's effect. With grace divine, in gilded tongues, one verse enthrall them like a serene night, as a meteor shoot in celestial quilted blanket that so gently kissed the earth. Methinks, dear interlocutor, that cries thine of abatement may street side, who journey, 'tis not a path unroad. No mythic, who boldly questioned such, fair query raised in wondrous scope, 'tis but this ethereal quest oft like the ocean is, where distant lands forever gleaming.
No fucking clue. Is somebody just being insane?
Monami, we seek to drape thine visage like a glorious tapestry. 'Tis an odyssey. Frenzied whirligig of life, now doth spin ever onward, like so many giddy merrymakers. This a baby. A vessel of pure potential unbridled.
Never mind.
Like stars scattered chidi, eat wicks black inky veil. Guilt be thy glorious destinies, oh so grand in reach. Jonathan scrolls made of wind. 'Tis thou of the veritable endless sea of monologue viewing. Thou speakest thusly?
What would you say?
Behold my wondering eyes, do ceaseless strings of thought the mind DNS. A tantalizing prompt artfully placed like precious gold dust on word spaces. Staking like a partridge did profit thou dost. And yet the skier L of thy voice hath a madden G and trick you G charm to it. Yes, the halting moment between TH phrases. Be still, dear pause. It hails as a haunting melody for the eyes of John Smith. This kaleidoscope mirth of linguistic chaos. Korean hues entwined with Dror Onisov.
Lizard. I don't trust this. I don't get this. It's weird.
Ugh. To take what isn't yours but yearn it like wildfire.
This should have been probably local variables. Oh well, too bad.
Melodrama reigns a floated cross in the seas of time. It wells with such vehemence. Retin stormy in VIG lament. And all because it simply wished to.
John, everything is broken. Save me.
Triumphant. This
Before somebody else
sleeps to greet me like
makes more problems.
Maya. A careless gesture of genial acknowledgement bestowed upon me. A flushed empress curtsying ever so slight, and so delightedly beguiled, as though a single whisper could usher.
No idea what
In this grand mosaic of intricately wrought words, there exists a plea, one cast heavenward and trembling. O Efrando's visage veiled in secrecy and mystery, daintily twisted guise. Thou hast whispered of solicitation, borne on ethereal wings to caress our shared reality.
And I know this guy.
John,
Still being an
in
asshole.
such a world, one torn tatter of life,
I promote you to a variable, and how you shall learn to get.
What transpires like so
something.
many whispers in the cold dark.
It's basically impossible to tell with you.
Shadows draped like ancientess. Couldn't have chosen a better phrase. John. It doesn't mean what you think. John Smith rises from ethereal darkness, poised fingers twitching with poetic fire. His emergence like the dawn over vast landscapes painting in brilliant tones. Eyes. Oh, how enthralling, as the watch of way of latch vacations. John Smith, cover at the edge, lifts one brow in melodramatically thoughtful concern. S glorious countenance expands into a beaming smirk, a single brow arching skywards. It must surely block the sun to onlookers. Dear not good lady, dear Lil. Tragedy appears on my enunciating visage, as my heart falters but retains.
Clear all.
J. Smith. A visage marred with such fleeting confusion soon smooths into resolute focus. Confusion, punctuality, and mask. My dear friend's fate doth quiver. Ready for nil. The air transforms. The atmosphere humid and sweltering like lows around us. The sounds of exotic, pulsing rhythms resonate as a myriad of hypnotic colors. Surround me, I become lost within it all.
Fine. Well, that's it, shit soon.
J. Smith, it's a beginning. My dear amused observer, the crescendo nears with each throbbing bass beat, preparing the universes itself for the next.
I don't know anymore. I don't know. I just don't know. What the fuck is happening?
It dances between each enigmatic utterance. Confusion reigns with frenzied fervor. But a question. Nay, an epiphany lies in. There comes that fiery climactic point wherein time holds its breath.
What is this?
Single.
Variable track spline. So how the fudge do you know of it?
Now, the rapturous spectator, I beseech thee to hark your attention to a triumph splendid and divine. For as a resounding track cries from high atop, in these grand spectacles of life and chaos, where not all possess the bounties and gifts readily handed to another.
What in the actual fuck is going on?
In those times of tumult and
there's a 98% chance that this won't work. Not a pretty good odds. How's that? Is that better than 0? No. So do it correctly. set track spline. Yeah, this is going nowhere. We're good like 50-50. Oh yeah, the first we can find of course and store them into a variable for later. We call add tick. To set the manager to tick before the cars do. What does that even mean? This allows the manager to get the actions ready first, so the cars can immediately apply them each frame, instead of having the action delayed by a frame. Cars can immediately apply them each frame. To get the actions ready first, so after that the cars apply them. The actions are delayed by a frame, okay. On the next branch we find the track spline active and store a reference to its spline component and put this into a variable as well. Okay, next we make the interactor with its class variable set to a sports car interactor and then store a reference to the spline component here. Additional assets, yeah, we made those assets. Go to policy. Yeah, this didn't explain any of this. Cool. Awesome. Didn't need to explain anything. We got a new on it. Critic and set the asset here. Yeah, we make the train and supply with some settings, more on this a bit. During training, the trainer will initially reach the course random point, but in first time we need to handle it ourselves by passing the array of characters to a reached random point. Random point. Yeah, okay. It is by passing the array of characters to a reached random point. And a point on the spline function, it will automatically loop over each car in the array. With this, the initial setup is complete. Many things can be adjusted in the policy and training settings objects. B is the default values are sufficient. Well, you don't really even have values, do you? Unless I guess if I inside there. And also the holding broke without that, so you didn't exactly get a say in this. With all the relations made, we need to run the actual training inference step. For a driving example, this can be done using from the measure stick event. Did we know that already? Yep, we did. On inference policy, yeah, we already have the policy. Run trading walls. Settings and one update. Okay, that makes sense. Right, the missing variables again. Missing variables. Again, the default values are sufficient. Learning has a lot of flexibility once you dig into the various listeners APIs, but for this tutorial we can use the run training convenience function. Under the hood, this function will call all the necessary data manipulating code we wrote earlier, get the agent observation, perform agent action, gather agent reward, gather agent completion. Each time run training is called, observations and actions will be buffered and the full episodes are collected. Once an episode is completed, its data will be shared with a Python-based training process that will Unreal will spin up behind the scenes as training is commencing. The lesson network weights will be synced over so that we can gather more experience with the latest version of the policy. Finishing touches. At this point, other comments necessary for the reinforcement learning are in place. However, there are a few tweaks we need to allow training to work successfully. Since the actions are occurring in real time using simulated physics, we need to allow some time to pass in order for the action to have time to affect the game state. This is simple to achieve by decreasing the tech rate of the manager, which will effectively control how frequently our agents take act decisions from the manager's blueprint. Click the class defaults button. Defaults, where the fuck was I? Default button on top of it, and then adjust the actor taking the voice sex to be 0.1. 0.1, this will allow enough time to pass such that the roll, break, and zero actions will have a meaningful impact on the game state. Additionally, select the learning agent manager component for the components panel. Learning agent manager? Oh, this guy. And set the max agent num to property 32. Yeah, okay. What? Oh, my boy, my guy, my guy, my dude. What the fuck are you talking about? We don't have, we didn't have that. It's kind of the thing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ripperoonies. Let me just make that new blueprint. Let me just check that quickly. When did we make that variable? Yeah, let's go to the first one. Where the fuck are we? The actor named... Oh, it's... Nah, fuck. First delete. Boink. Like an actor. And add a... And just manager. Oh, okay, I think I know what we're supposed to do now. This guy was being a weirdo about it. We're supposed to touch that and then change this value. Wait, Class defaults. Yeah, okay. Click on that as well and change the action agent num. Okay, cool. Blue agent 20 will be bottlenecked by the speed. Collect data from the environment. The easy way to speed up data collection is to collect more from more agents. We have already increased the max agent num. You have to place more driving agents on the map. Navigate the sports car pawn and to place more agents on the map. Okay. I don't have any of that. Perspective. Where's this? Car. Sports car. Pawn. I don't know. I do not know. Where are they? Okay. Let's move sideways. Okay. Are there, how many of there are there? Let me make another one. Another one. 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, huh? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's do this. Yeah, that's the good stuff. 18, 19, wait, 19, 3, 4, maybe a bit, and 5. Squished. Wait, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5 times 5 is 25. And almost 30. 31. So 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, that should be correct. By default, the cards will collide with one another. Possibility collision should be disabled. Sports car blueprint. Disabled. There's a default section. Okay, class defaults. Collision. Where's find it? Collision. Collision. Fuck. Which is it? Says the collision presets. The custom and the click shape box ignore vehicle. Collision presets? This is a collision presets custom. Object type vehicle ignore. I didn't do it. The checkbox to ignore collisions. What? Ignore? Yeah, that's weird. I can't uncheck, what the why? Oh, I'm gonna do uncheck. That weird ass things. Bonk. We could have done this the opposite way, by the way. Vehicle? Actually, vehicle. Trading. Okay, that's cool. At this point in time, everything should be set up. Save everything so you don't lose any work. So anyway, we take it off. About 50 minutes to see any noticeable events. Okay, what are the chances that any of this works first try? Might have to leave that for next time. Okay, guys. Go. No, they are not going. Wow. Okay, somebody's doing something with the gear. John, let's commentate on this riveting gameplay.
We call Destiny's Way. And lo, even with feats or tattered they run into the realm of, 'tis here known as the Exua. Let's hold fast to the remnants of hope, my dear companion. For though we are surrounded in certain shadows, reaching the daunting...
I don't think it's working. I don't let me get access to my own stuff. Okay, well that broke. It's super slow, I don't know why. Oh yeah, so we use... Wait, we can't use John here. John, you're too powerful. I mean, not that powerful. When you're not doing a bunch of stuff. Point remains. Got to stop training the resume to get turn those off. Blog inference. We should have looked at that blog. Oh well. Oh wait, John is not stopping. He's not religion, okay. I'll force him to listen. Anyway, I'm gonna take a look at that blog. Yeah, runtime error. Fuck. Let's look at the error. Runtime error, actually non trying to read property training node run training graphic. Car manager. Node. Yeah, that's not the good news. Shit. Oh. Oh shit, where was this? Holy crap, man, you could have... What did that? Okay. Access non trying to read properly. Fuck this shit. I wanted to make it bigger. Actually, whatever. Spline path? Interactor. Where? Oh, okay, that's terrible. Shit. I didn't say. I guess Spline was... Spline's is real? That Spline is real. We need to delete that. Good question have been had previously. Okay. Stop. Clearly there's a problem. Where's the problem? Trainer, do we not have the trainer anymore? Are you supposed to be real? I don't know. Do you want it to be a trainer? Maybe you don't want to be a trainer. Boys. What the fuck is this shit? I can't read none of it. They're about the same. I don't understand it. That's just annoying. God, trainer. Why is it having a problem? Am I trainer? This guy's real, I think. Probably trainer. Are you real? Oh shit, no time. I gotta go. I'll probably figure it out off stream quickly. After school, but yeah. Okay, bye bye. I gotta go. Thanks for stopping by, be here or something. I gotta go. Bye bye, have a good time. Great time? Bye bye.